This one simple mistake cost me tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, and lost profit opportunities simply because I didn't realize this one thing. What's up everyone, my name's Garrett. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how a lot of you are probably missing out on product opportunities because you're not realizing this one key data point. Now, a lot of people, when they're sourcing products, they look at what's the lowest FBA offer and they assume that person's getting all the sales, when that's not always the case. There's a lot of products out there where you can still win buy box share at a higher price point, and the reason being is, especially for us arbitrage sellers or OA sellers, there are listings where these products come about often out in the field. If you're doing retail arbitrage, you're able to maybe get 5 or 10 of this one item. But for those of us doing online arbitrage as well, where we can purchase like 100, 200 units of an item, we sometimes hesitate because we see a lot of retail arbitrage sellers on a listing with a lower price, and they probably got it for a little bit cheaper than we did. But if you didn't know, there's a way to tell if you're still gonna be able to get sales at a higher price point, and I wanna show you guys how to use Keepa to be able to determine if you, even if a product, it says the low price, the low FBA price is, for instance, $29.99, you still might be able to sell that product at $32.99 quite consistently. So we're gonna hop on into my laptop and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to check Keepa. You see how the buy box is fluctuating in terms of price point. All right, so here's a product I've actually been currently selling for about the last 45 days. I've reordered a few times, been selling anywhere from like 5 to 15 units a day. So it's been a very great product. And I wanna show you guys something cool here. So I'm purchasing this product for about $15 and I gotta pay $1.25 prep fee. So about $16.25. So as you can see, the low price on this item, usually the lowest price is around $29, $28, so on and so forth. So paying $16.25 with prep cost included, selling for $29, there's only a couple dollars profit left in this product. I wouldn't be interested. But what we can see here is you can see how the buy box fluctuates. So we see here, just look at the buy box where it says buy box by third-party FBA. So we can see the new third-party FBA lowest price is $29.99, which is the box right below the buy box indicator here on Keepa. And we can see some guy at $33 is still winning the buy box even though he's not the lowest price. And we can see here quite consistently on this listing, higher price sellers are still winning the buy box quite consistently, right? You can see it pops back up $31.99, pops back up $31.99, pops back up $32, $33, so on and so forth. We can see right here it's been popping up quite often, which I've been getting a ton of sales this past week on this product. This is a product, it's a single product listing, so it's not a variation listing. And it moves a pretty good amount of volume, probably around 700 to 800 units a month, which is estimated. So this is a listing where the reason the buy box is fluctuating to higher prices is because this is an item that pops up in retail stores quite consistently. But the problem is with retail arbitrage, you can't get your hands on a lot of volume. So the reason this buy box is spiking here is because a lot of times you have sellers that are in FC transit, their product's not available for 2 weeks. They might only have 1 unit in stock, and me as an I'm purchasing this product OA. I have it available. I have like 125 units available at the moment. So unit count is a big variable in buy box, your ability to win the buy box as well. But the main reason is just because the arbitrage sellers that are probably getting this for a little bit cheaper is they can't get a lot of stock, so they sell out very quickly. And even when they're in stock, there's still those gaps within a month where they're in FC transfer, their product's not available for 2 weeks. So customers and Amazon's giving us the buy box, and customers oftentimes, even if it's a week wait, they'll pay an extra $3 to get their product soon. So I've been selling this product for $32.99 the past week and a half, and I've $31.99 to $32.99, and I've probably sold 130 units of just this one item this month, and I'm making about somewhere around $650 profit on each unit. So this has been almost $1,000 profit product from online arbitrage for me. But I just wanted to show you guys how this works and how you can kind of identify. If I was just doing product research and I didn't look at Keepa and I was just skimming through stuff very quickly, I would have saw the low price is $29.50 or something like that. I'm making $2, not worth it for me. I dove a little bit deeper, checked Keepa, saw there's a very consistent, stable pricing, and we can see the buy box jumps up quite often, and on a listing that does volume, just those little spikes throughout the week can get you an extra 10, 15 sales in the span of a few hours, as long as you're winning that buy box, just even a couple hours a day. So just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully it helped you out. If you want to learn more about selling on Amazon and grow your business, check out the Arbitrage University. If you're new to the channel, I'd love to have you as part of the family, so hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like if you learned something new. Let me know down in the comments, have you guys taken advantage of this style of sourcing, just understanding how the buy box is working on a particular listing? Have you experienced that at all? Would love to hear your comments down below, and I'll see you on the next video.